When you think of a great developer, what comes to mind? Someone who writes 100 lines of code, right? Always building something new, fresh, exciting. But here is the truth no one tells freshers. Writing code is just one part of the job, but debugging, understanding what's not working. That's where the real growth happens. In this video, we will talk about why debugging might actually make you a better developer than coding ever will. As freshers, we often fall in love with the idea of coding. You imagine yourself building the next big app, solving huge problems, or maybe typing away like a hacker in the movies. And sure, this part is fun, but real world development, it's not always that glamorous. Most of the time, you are not writing a brand new code from scratch. You're reading existing code, trying to figure out what someone else was thinking or was what you were thinking a few weeks ago. And then comes the bugs, things break, things don't run, things work on your machine but not on the server. That's when you realize being a good developer is not about how creatively you can write code. It's about how patiently smartly you can fix it. Let me give you a one reality check. A developer's day is not hours of coding magic. In fact, writing code might take up only a small portion of your day. The rest, you are understanding what's the problem is. Reading documentation, going through someone else's code, reviewing pull requests, handling bugs, talking to a team, and yeah, Googling a lot. It's totally normal. We all do that. But most freshers think their job will be to write fresh code every day. But often, the real task is to maintain, improve, and fix existing code. And trust me, some of that code is messy, confusing, and not written by you. If you are only comfortable writing code and not reading or debugging it, you are going to struggle. Because the reality is, a huge part of your growth comes from learning how things break and figuring out why. Now let's talk about debugging. The best part no one really teaches you, but every developer has to master. Debugging forces you to slow down and really think. You stop blindly writing code and start asking, why is not this working? What's actually happening here? And in that process, you learn so much. You learn how different parts of a system talk to each other. You learn to trace logic, understand edge cases, and spot assumptions you didn't even realize you are making. And honestly, the satisfaction of solving a tough bug way more satisfying than writing a new feature. Debugging teaches patience, it teaches persistence, it teaches you to be curious, to not just fix the issue, but to understand it. Plus, it builds habits that make you a cleaner coder, like thinking ahead, writing modular code, leaving meaningful logs, and testing the code properly. So, yes, writing code might make you feel productive, but debugging, that's what make you wise. So, how do you get actually better at debugging? First, learn to use the tools. Don't just rely on print statements or console.log. Every good IDE has a debugger. Learn how to set breakpoints, set through code, inspect variables. It's a game changer. Second, get comfortable reading error messages. I know they can look scary at first, but they're not yelling at you. They're guiding you. Read them carefully. Don't just copy paste them into Google blindly. It's okay. Sometimes we all do that. But still, try to understand what it's saying first. And third, use logs wisely. Add logs to trace what code is doing. Think of them like leaving breadcrumbs for future you. Fourth, don't be afraid to isolate the problem. Comment out blocks, try inputs one at a time, break big problems into smaller ones. And lastly, develop the habit of asking good questions. Whether it's a Google, Stack Overflow, or a team, the better your question, the quicker you will find an answer. Debugging is not just a skill, it's a mindset. And like any mindset, it gets better with practice. Now let's be clear. I'm not saying coding is not important. Of course it is. Writing code is how you build. But debugging is how you understand it. It's how you learn what actually works and what doesn't. Think of it that way. Coding is like speaking. You are expressing ideas. But debugging, that's like listening. You are paying attention to feedback, figuring out where things went wrong, and refining thinking. The best developers I know, they are not just great coders, they are great debuggers because they have spent hours fixing the messy ones in the past. So, the more time you spend understanding and fixing problems, the better your next line code will be. Now, I may not be a developer myself, but I have worked with enough developers to see a clear pattern. The ones who grow the fastest, they are not the ones who write the most code. They are the ones who are not afraid to get into the mess, stare down the bug, and keep digging until they figure it out. I have seen a junior developers panic when things don't work. It's totally normal, but I have also seen how those debugging moments turn into learning milestones. Suddenly, they are writing cleaner code, adding logs without being told, asking smarter questions. It's not magic, it's debugging that shaped them. Over time, it's these lessons, not just syntax or tutorials, that make them dependable, resourceable, and really valuable to any team. Because real growth, it happens when things break and you stay long enough to fix them. If this helped shift your perspective even a little, hit the like button, and if you got a funny or frustrating debugging story, share it in the comments. I promise you are not alone. If you want more real world developer advice, the kind no one puts in textbooks, subscribe and stick around. We are just getting started.